Here's how to actually delete apps on your Mac. I'm going to show you two quick methods. The first, super easy. It works for most apps and only takes a few seconds. Click the Finder icon in the bottom left, click Applications, and click and drag whatever app you want to delete into the trash can. Might ask you for your password. Once you put it in, you can hit OK, and it will move it to the trash, or you can right-click the application and hit Move to Trash that way. Then open your trash, hit Empty, and Empty Trash, and it will delete those apps. But here's the thing, some apps actually leave behind hidden files, so even if you delete the app, those hidden files will still be there. While they probably won't take up a lot of storage now, they can add up over time. Might not apply to most of you, but just to give an example, on this channel I also show how to play games on Mac, and one of the applications we use is called PlayCover. If I were to delete PlayCover, the game data for the game is still on my computer, and I would have to manually go into the folder where it is and click it and delete it. So here's a solution for you. There's this app called AppCleaner. I'll leave the link to it in the description. It's free. Click that link. That'll bring you here. Click the download for whatever Mac OS version you have. It's going to download it. Then in our downloads folder, we can move it to applications. And then in our applications, just double click AppCleaner. It's going to ask you to open it, and then you have it here. So let's say I want to delete 4K video downloader. Click in there, and as you can see, it found a hidden file, not just the application, but something under library preferences. And then I hit remove, and then we open up our trash can, and then we can see it deleted the application, but also that hidden file. Then we hit empty, empty trash, then we have completely deleted the app and the hidden files. And that's about it. See ya.